Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a wig review on Nadula hair. I'm currently wearing their water wave unit, and y'all, can we get into the I didn't want to do baby hair because I really want you guys to see the hairline. And this is definitely a beginner friendly wig. I did not do anything to the curls. This is how it came out of the box. And look how long she is. Y'all, this unit is so adorably cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. So if you want to see my quick review of this unit and how I installed it, all the specs, please keep watching. And a special shout out to Nadula for sponsoring today's video. Alright, you guys, let's get into this beautiful unit from Nadula hair. We're going to go ahead and open it out the box, and you get this little purse bag on the outside, and then you get the satin bag for you to be able to store your unit inside. And the unit arrived to me safe and sound in this box. You do get some goodies, just like pretty much all normal wigs come with: nails, wig cap, and also a wig band. This is the HD Bye-Bye Knot wig. This is a 24-inch 7x5 HD pre-bleached. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace water wave wig. Y'all, this is the type of wig that you can literally throw on your head and go. I am so excited to try this on. It did not have that little, stench of a wig scent. Y'all, I haven't done a voiceover in a long time, but let's get into this lace, y'all. Look at how good this lace looks under my hand, y'all. It matches my skin tone perfectly. I think it'll fit any skin tone, actually, not just mine. I'm just trying to be biased because I feel like this wig was literally made for me, y'all. Can we talk about HD lace? Y'all, this is so pretty. Now, let's go ahead and try it on. I wanted to give you guys what it looks like straight out the bag onto my head, and y'all, I was literally speechless right here. Literally, I'm like, wait a minute, am I seeing right? And how can I forget the most important part, that it is straight glueless. This is a glueless wig, you guys, so you can definitely throw it on. This is definitely beginner friendly because, listen, I don't care what you say, this hair is growing out of my scalp. I have been around the block a couple times with wigs, and this is the first one that literally had my mouth dropping like this. Y'all, this hair was so soft. It is beautiful. This is straight out of the box. The thing that I love the most is that I have the full 24 inches from the root to the tip. It is full. I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. You don't have to do this, but it's just a habit of me doing it to all of my wigs. Y'all saw how good it looked prior to. This just takes your wigs to a whole nother level. So I'm going to go in with this tint mousse and just kind of spread it all over. I like using a makeup brush just to make sure that I spread it like a thin layer of it. It just makes it blend more better with my skin tone and my scalp. Again, you don't have to do this because you guys saw how good it looks straight out of the box. I'm just being a little extra. I'm going to go ahead and dry it with a fan, and then we're going to put it back on so you guys can see what it looks like, and you can see the difference of what I mean about how it takes it to another level. I am going to just go ahead and put this on my head, and I want y'all just to go ahead and see. Y'all, them edges are my edges. The front of this wig is my hair. There's nothing that you can tell me anything different. This is literally growing out of my scalp. Like, it looks so good. And what's the first thing I'm going to do with 24 inches of hair is definitely go ahead and put my fingers through it. And of course, I always have flyaway with straight hairs. But y'all, look at this. Look at this. Look, like, seriously, this was 5 a.m. in the morning, so I couldn't be loud and just like tell you guys like how excited I was about this because it's beautiful. I want to go ahead and spray my lace down. You don't have to do this because this is glueless, but I plan on wearing this all day. So here, let's go and put some makeup on. So now it's time for the final reveal. Y'all, this hair is so soft. I was going to put some water in it and like kind of style it, but I honestly like the big straight out of the box look. So I'm going to keep it just like that. So here's the final results. I need to add some bronzer because you can definitely see where my bronzer is and where my natural color is. All right, so here's how the hair looks. The hairline looks so, y'all, I did the minimal to this wig. So this wig is definitely beginners friendly. She's come with me on vacation because she's definitely giving vacation hair. Here's where the length goes. It's definitely true all the way through. There's no thinness in the hair. I love it. Ah! This time I'll be. I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, no, but seriously, Nadula, you did your thing with this unit. I am in love. Straight out the box. Beginner friendly. And as you can see, the hairline can be styled different ways. I have it like a little up, down. You saw the bust down middle part earlier. You get a lot of sparting place as well. So if I wanted to restyle it and wear it to, you know, a deep side part, I could do that as well. The possibilities are endless because this unit is just that good. I mean, we just need to get a texture shot. Baby, speechless. If you're interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below with the coupon codes. Make sure you check the description box down below. And thank you again, Nadula, for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, girl, go ahead and get you one of these. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.